Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get to flash sales on Shein. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to get flash sales on Shein, by tapping open Shein application from your app drawer and making sure that you are logged into your account. The flash sale items are listed right on the Shein homepage. If you scroll a bit down, then you'll be able to see a tab that says flash sale with a timer counting down the hour, minutes and seconds until the flash sale ends. You can scroll through and pick some of the items directly from the list of the items that are available for flash sales. The flash sales usually last 24 hours or until the time limit has been reached. You can also stack free shipping codes or minimum order codes. That was how you can easily get flash sales on your Shein account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.